So the question one is, who is the first Italian man to win an Olympic medal in a 100-meter race? Options are Leonardo Fabri, D. Maurizio Damilano, C. Andrew Ho, or D. Marcel Jacobs. So the correct answer will be option D, that is Marcel Jacobs. So Marcel Jacobs is the first Italian man who won an Olympic medal in a 100-meter race. Now the next question. So the next question is, who is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals? Options are A. Deepika Kumari, B. Manika Batra, C. PV Sindhu, or D. Saina Nehwal. So the correct answer will be option C, that is PV Sindhu. So answer for this question is PV Sindhu is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals. Now the next question is what is the title of autobiography of Major Dhyan Chand? Options are A. Goal, B. Playing It My Way, C. A Shot at History, or D. Ace Against Odds. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, that is Goal. So Goal was the title or is the title of autobiography of Major Dhyan Chand. It was written by himself only. Now the next question. Which country has topped the medal tally in Tokyo 2020 Olympics? Options are A. China, B. Japan, C. USA, or D. Germany. So the correct answer is USA. USA has topped the medals tally in Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Okay, so now the next question is, Thomas Dennerby has been appointed as head coach of Indian women's football team ahead of the AFC Women's Asia Cup 2022. Which country is the host of this event? So the options are A. China, B. India, C. Japan, or D. South Korea. So the correct answer will be option B, India. So India will be hosting the 2022 AFC Women's Asian Cup. Okay, so the correct answer will be B, India. So now the next question. So the next question is, which organization UNESCO has partnered with to celebrate India's rich cultural heritage? Options are A. Netflix, B. Amazon, C. Facebook, or D. Google. So the correct answer will be option A, that is Netflix. So Netflix is an organization UNESCO has partnered with to celebrate India's rich cultural heritage. Next question is, in which state or union territory Ministry of Textiles has inaugurated an international exhibition on folk and tribal art paintings? रीतियों से कलाकृतियों का सफर. Options are Maharashtra, New Delhi, Odisha, or Goa. So the correct answer will be option B, that is New Delhi. Okay, so the next question. Recently, who has inaugurated an exhibition named Katha Krantiveeron Ki? So who inaugurated this? Okay, so options are Narendra Modi, G. Kishan Reddy, Amit Shah, or Dharmendra Pradhan. So the correct answer will be G. Kishan Reddy. G. Kishan Reddy has inaugurated an exhibition named Katha Krantiveeron Ki. Now the next question is, which is a very important question. Recently, which organization has launched a digital onboarding for its alternate investment fund, AIF, the first of its kind in the industry? Options are SBI Mutual Fund, B. Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund, C. ASK Investment Managers Limited, or D. JP Morgan Chase. So the correct answer will be ASK or ASK Investment Managers Limited is an organization that has launched a digital onboarding for its alternate investment fund, AIF. Next question is, which organization has flagged off Freedom Cyclothon 2021? Options are Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, or the last one is Central Industrial Security Force. So the correct answer will be Border Security Force. Option A will be the correct answer, is the organization that has flagged off Freedom Cyclothon 2021. Now the next question. With which organization MyGov under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology have come together to jointly launch the Amrit Mahotsav Shri Shakti Innovation Challenge 2021? So which is the organization? Options are Global Fund for Women, B, National Organization for Women, C, Women for Women International, or D, UN Women. So the correct answer will be D, that is United Nations Women. This is also a very important question. Now the next question is, Ganga Pathway is said to be a version of Mumbai's famous Marine Drive, is being opened in which Indian city? So options are A, Kolkata, B, Varanasi, C, Patna, or D, Kanpur. So the correct answer will be option C, that is Patna. So Ganga Pathway, which is said to be a version of Mumbai's famous Marine Drive, is being opened in Patna. Next question will be, in which state or union territory National Maritime Heritage Complex NMHC is being developed as an international tourist destination? Options are Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and the last one is Goa. So the correct answer will be in Gujarat. So in Gujarat, the National Maritime Heritage Complex is being developed as an international tourist destination. Next question will be, which ministry has launched Operation Blue Freedom? Options are Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C, Ministry of Minority Affairs, or the D, Ministry of Home Affairs. So the correct answer will be B, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has launched Operation Blue Freedom. Now the last question for this set A for August 2021 current affairs is, in which state or union territory Indian Air Force has built one of the largest, highest mobile air traffic control towers? Options are Sikkim, B, Ladakh, C, Jammu and Kashmir, and D, Himachal Pradesh. So the correct answer will be option B, that is Ladakh. So in Ladakh, Indian Air Force has built one of the world's highest mobile air traffic control towers. So hope this video will prove important and useful to you all. I'll be meeting in the next video where I'll be coming with set B. Thank you.